shocking study reveals common cold remedy outperforms $100 beauty products and pest control solutions. Scientists stunned by Vicks VapoRub's hidden powers. In the next few minutes, you'll discover why dermatologists are secretly using this $5 ointment, the surprising link between Vicks and pest control, and the one hack that could save you hundreds in beauty treatments. We'll expose the multi-billion-dollar industry's biggest secret and show you 15 mind-blowing uses for this medicine cabinet staple. Don't miss the game-changing revelation about use number 7. It's about to revolutionize your daily routine and save you a fortune. Now let's uncover these 15 shocking Vicks VapoRub secrets. 1. Headache relief, your new go-to for tension taming. Let's kick things off with a use that might just save your next workday. Believe it or not, Vicks can be a powerful ally in the fight against tension headaches. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Neuroscience found that menthol, one of the active ingredients in Vicks, can have a significant analgesic effect when applied topically. The researchers noted that the cooling sensation of menthol can help reduce pain perception and relax tense muscles. How to use it? Gently massage a small amount of Vicks onto your temples and forehead. The cooling sensation and the aroma can help alleviate tension and provide relief. Just be careful not to get it in your eyes. Ready to become a Vicks VapoRub guru? Hit that subscribe button faster than you can say eucalyptus, and let's continue this journey of discovery together. 2. Muscle pain soother, your post-workout secret weapon. Next up, let's talk about how Vicks can be your best friend after a tough workout. The combination of menthol and camphor in Vicks makes it an excellent muscle pain soother. A study in the Journal of Clinical Medicine Research found that topical application of menthol can significantly reduce exercise-induced muscle pain. The researchers noted that menthol activates cold-sensitive receptors in the skin, which can help numb pain and reduce inflammation. How to use it? After your workout, apply a thin layer of Vicks to sore muscles. For an extra cooling effect, try storing your Vicks in the refrigerator. It's like having a portable ice pack and pain reliever in one. 3. Cracked heel healer, your ticket to softer feet. Now let's step into the world of beauty with this surprising use. Healing cracked heels. If you've been battling dry, rough feet, Vicks might be your new secret weapon. A study published in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology found that the occlusive properties of petroleum jelly, a main ingredient in Vicks, can significantly improve skin hydration and barrier function. The researchers noted that this could be particularly beneficial for areas of thick, dry skin like heels. How to use it? Before bed, apply a generous layer of Vicks to your heels, then put on a pair of socks. In the morning, you'll wake up to softer, smoother feet. It's like a spa treatment while you sleep. 4. Nail fungus fighter, the unexpected cure. Here's a use that might surprise you, treating nail fungus. While it might sound strange, there's actually science behind this unconventional application. A study in the Journal of the American Board of Family Medicine found that the thymol in Vicks VapoRub has antifungal properties. The researchers conducted a small study where participants applied Vicks to fungus-affected toenails, and 83% of them showed positive results after 48 weeks. How to use it? Apply a small amount of Vicks to the affected nail daily. Be patient. Nail fungus takes time to treat, but consistency is key. It's like giving your nails a daily dose of fungus fighting power. 5. Pet-safe tick remover, a gentle solution for your furry friends. Now let's talk about an unexpected use that could be a game changer for pet owners, using Vicks as a tick remover. This method is gentler than traditional tick removal techniques and can make the process less stressful for your pet. While there aren't specific studies on Vicks for tick removal, the strong scent of camphor and menthol can cause ticks to release their grip, making them easier to remove. However, it's important to note that Vicks should not be used as a tick preventative or left on your pet's skin. How to use it? Dab a small amount of Vicks on the tick and wait a few minutes. The tick should release its grip, making it easy to remove with tweezers. Always consult with your vet before trying new treatments on your pets. Amazed by these Vicks hacks? Don't let these valuable tips slip away. Subscribe now and let's keep exploring unconventional uses for everyday items. 6. Insect repellent, nature's bug spray. Summer nights are great, but mosquitoes, not so much. Enter Vicks VapoRub as an unexpected insect repellent. A study published in the Journal of Insect Science found that compounds similar to those in Vicks, like eucalyptus oil, can be effective mosquito repellents. While Vicks itself wasn't studied, its strong scent suggests it could have similar effects. How to use it. Apply a thin layer of Vicks to exposed skin when heading outdoors. The strong scent can help keep bugs at bay. Just remember, this isn't a replacement for proper insect repellent in high-risk areas. 7. Minor cut protector. First aid in a jar, not a small cut or scrape. Vicks can come to the rescue. The petroleum jelly base creates a protective barrier, while the antimicrobial properties of some ingredients may help prevent infection. A review in the Journal of Athletic Training noted that petroleum jelly can be an effective barrier for minor wounds, helping to keep them moist and promote healing. While not a replacement for proper wound care, it can be a handy first aid tool. How to use it. Clean the cut thoroughly, then apply a thin layer of Vicks. Cover with a bandage if needed. It's like giving your minor wounds a protective, healing hug. 8. Sinus pressure relief beyond the chest rub. We all know Vicks for congestion, but did you know it can specifically target sinus pressure? The menthol in Vicks can help open up nasal passages and provide relief from sinus pain. A study in the Journal of Pharmacy and Bioallied Sciences found that menthol can significantly improve nasal airflow and reduce nasal congestion. The researchers noted that the cooling sensation of menthol can create a perception of increased airflow. How to use it. Apply a small amount of Vicks under your nose and on your cheekbones. Breathe deeply and feel the sinus pressure melt away. It's like giving your sinuses a refreshing mint breeze. 9. Earache remedy. A gentle touch for tender ears. Earaches can be a real pain, but Vicks might offer some relief. While it shouldn't be put directly in the ear, the external application can help soothe discomfort. A study in the American Family Physician Journal noted that topical application of analgesics near the ear can help relieve ear pain. The menthol in Vicks can provide a cooling sensation that may help numb the pain. How to use it. Apply a small amount of Vicks to a cotton ball and place it in the outer part of the ear. Never insert it into the ear canal. It's like giving your earache a cool, soothing hug. 10. Stretch mark fader. Beauty's best kept secret. Here's a beauty hack that might surprise you. Using Vicks to fade stretch marks. While it's not a miracle cure, the moisturizing properties and ingredients like cedar leaf oil might help improve skin appearance. A study in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science found that consistent moisturization can improve the appearance of stretch marks. While not specific to Vicks, its occlusive properties could provide similar benefits. How to use it. Massage a small amount of Vicks into stretch marks daily. Be patient. Skin changes take time. It's like giving your skin a nourishing, aromatic massage. 11. Aromatherapy. Aid your personal stress reliever. Feeling stressed? The strong scent of Vicks can double as an aromatherapy tool. The eucalyptus and menthol scents are known for their calming properties. A study in the Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine Journal found that inhaling eucalyptus oil, a key ingredient in Vicks, can reduce stress and have a calming effect on the nervous system. How to use it. Rub a small amount of Vicks between your palms and inhale deeply, or add a spoonful to hot water for a steaming aromatherapy session. It's like having a portable spa in a jar. 12. Bruise. Soother. Speed up the healing process. Got a nasty bruise? Vicks might help speed up the healing process. The menthol can help increase blood circulation to the area, potentially reducing the appearance of bruises faster. While there aren't specific studies on Vicks for bruises, a review in the Journal of Athletic Training noted that topical analgesics can help reduce pain and inflammation associated with bruises. How to use it. Gently massage a small amount of Vicks onto the bruised area. The cooling sensation can also help relieve pain. It's like giving your bruises a healing, cooling touch. 13. Plant protector. Keep your garden pest-free. Believe it or not, Vicks can even help in your garden. The strong scent can deter certain pests from nibbling on your plants. While not scientifically studied, many gardeners swear by this trick. The strong menthol and camphor scents are unpleasant to many insects and small animals. How to use it. Smear a small amount of Vicks on the rim of plant pots or on stakes near plants. Be careful not to get it on the plants themselves. It's like creating an aromatic force field for your garden. Ready to become a Vicks VapoRub master? Subscribe now and join our community of DIY health and home remedy enthusiasts. 14 Splinter Removal Aid. Painless extraction. Made easy. Got a stubborn splinter? Vicks can help make removal easier and less painful. The petroleum jelly base can help soften the skin, while the menthol provides a numbing effect. A study in the Journal of Emergency Medicine noted that occlusive dressings like petroleum jelly can help soften the skin and make splinter removal easier. While not specific to Vicks, its composition suggests it could have similar effects. How to use it. Apply a generous amount of Vicks to the splinter area and cover with a bandage. After a few hours, the splinter should be easier to remove. It's like giving that pesky splinter an eviction notice. 15 Chapped Lip Soother. Winter's worst enemy. Last but not least, let's talk about how Vicks can be a savior for chapped lips. The petroleum jelly base provides intense moisture, while the menthol can soothe any discomfort. A study in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology found that petroleum jelly is one of the most effective moisturizers for treating dry, chapped lips. The occlusive properties help lock in moisture and protect lips from further damage. How to use it. Apply a thin layer of Vicks to your lips before bed. Wake up to softer, smoother lips. It's like giving your lips a hydrating overnight mask. Now to recap, we've explored 15 surprising uses for Vicks VapoRub, transforming it from a simple cold remedy to a multitasking marvel. From headache relief to insect repellent, nail fungus fighter to plant protector, this humble ointment tackles a wide range of issues. It offers budget-friendly alternatives to expensive specialized products, proving its versatility in personal care, pet health, and even gardening. Remember, Vicks VapoRub is more than meets the eye. It's a powerful tool for everyday problem-solving. Excited to learn more about unconventional uses for everyday items? Vote in the comments for our next video. 1. 15 surprising uses for hydrogen peroxide around your home. 2. The hidden powers of baking soda beyond baking and cleaning. If you enjoyed discovering these Vicks VapoRub hacks, you'll love our video on 10 everyday items with extraordinary health benefits. Check it out next. Vicks VapoRub is more than just a cold remedy. Ready to revolutionize your daily routine and save money? Your journey to unlocking everyday items' hidden potential starts now. If 95% of viewers subscribe and share, we'll reach millions with these game-changing tips. Be part of the revolution. Hit subscribe and spread the word. Next up, the shocking truth about common household items you've been using wrong.